What's up, my real flesh? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I have not literally sat in front of like these lights or anything like that in a minute. I really have not. Like, I've just been MIA. I have videos recorded like previously that I could upload, but I've just been so like crazy into work, so it's been kind of hard for me, pretty much. And every time I come home, I'm just like, I just go straight to sleep. So I have these next 2 days off, so I'm just like, let me just sit down and record for you guys, because I literally have not recorded in so long, and I never filmed a video in a while. So in today's video, y'all, after that just long introduction, in today's video is going to be a fall inspired makeup tutorial, makeup look, you know, like a little light brown eyes, like very inspired by my backdrop that y'all see. I'm very inspired by that, so y'all can basically like see where I'm going. Y'all can see where I'm going in this video, pretty much. And like a bold lip, because you know, like fall is basically like bold lips. I already did a fall caramel apple makeup tutorial. Y'all can definitely hit that eye up above to watch that, because it's very cute, it's like a cut crease. Y'all need to go check it out. Also, I'm going to incorporate this fall look into like my fall glowy makeup look, because every season I do a glowy, it's like a glowy makeup series, but I do it every season, pretty much. If y'all didn't notice, y'all can see my previous videos up here as well, but I'm going to incorporate this and like make it a glowy makeup tutorial as well. So if you guys want to see that, just keep on watching. But before we actually get into this video, before you know we get into the video, y'all need to hit that subscribe button. A lot of y'all have been subscribing. Thank y'all so much. Welcome new people, welcome to my channel. I am back, y'all. I just needed a quick little break. I'm back. I feel more inspired, most definitely, for real. Hit the bell notification right next to that to be notified for my future uploads, and also give this video a big thumbs up at any point in this video. You guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying my content, you guys are enjoying my channel, you guys are enjoying me, then give this video a big thumbs up, y'all. And with that being said, let's just get into this video.
Do this, baby, you better use it. Use your imagination.
Okay, guys, to start off this like fall glowy makeup look, I'm going to be using the ColourPop All-Star Matte Blurring Primer, which looks something like this. It is a matte primer, but it is really good, and you should definitely use it. Y'all should definitely get it if y'all don't have it. And it does say like matte and blurring, but you need like some kind of something to blur out. Let me turn my mirror. There we go. You need something to blur out your pores if you are a man like I am and you have big fucking pores like right in your face all the time. So you need something to set my face, like, cause I'm starting to learn how to like set my face instead of like just applying foundation and stuff. I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter sheer press powder, and I'm going to be taking that on a beauty sponge and just packing that on and setting my places that I get oily as a extra layer, and also in the middle of my forehead. It's like a little extra layer, y'all. And this is the color medium dark as well. I use this to sweep off my bake too. So, and for foundation, you guys, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. That is a mouthful, and this is what it looks like. It is really, really good. I've used it before, but I ran out of my old one, so this is a new one. So, and I am in the color bronze in this foundation, and you want to shake it up first. And I really, really love this foundation. It is so good, and I didn't get it just for this video. I got it because I really loved it. So I'm going to just apply that to my face. You don't have to use an illuminating foundation. I am, because I really love this foundation, and it kind of just goes with the theme of it. A lot of people have been wondering, like, what do I use on my lips? Like right now, how they're extra shiny. I've gotten a lot of comments about that. And I use just a gloss, y'all, just a regular gloss. I use like these cheap glosses by Ruby Kisses that literally cost like $3 each at the beauty supply. So that's what I use. Or I just use my Fenty Gloss Bomb. Today I just have on my Fenty Gloss Bomb. So I don't put a lot of foundation on my forehead because I feel like my forehead does not need a lot of coverage like the sides of my face do. So it's just like, I don't need it there, you know. Fall is literally my favorite time of the year. Like, it really is. It's just nice and cool. It's not too hot. All the bugs are gone. The fall fashions are here. They're in. I'm so sorry for the people that live in California because y'all really don't have to, y'all really can't do fall fashions. But here in Michigan, we literally see every season. Like winter, fall, we get every season. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Warm Sand, which I cannot use as a highlighter shade because it pretty much looks like it's only like one shade lighter than my foundation shade. So, and I really don't like that. I like it to be at least 2 to 3 shades lighter. And it's like so funny. Let me tell y'all something. It is so funny because this guy that works at the Sephora I go to, I followed him on Instagram before even seeing him in person, and I didn't even know that was him until like I seen him post, and like he done helped me and everything, and he never told me that was him. He helped me at Sephora and everything, and he never said that was him or not. And it's just like, wow. I'm just like, girl, why you didn't tell me? I didn't even message him or nothing. And for like a brightening concealer, I'm going to be using an oldie but goodie on my channel. This is the AOA Studio Concealer, which is so good. And I use the color Biscuit. Well, I used to, because it was like a real brightening color. But I'm about to use it again today. I literally have not used this in like a year, like, and it smells like paint. But this shit, like this concealer is literally so good, so full coverage. I'm gonna add a little white. And I'm gonna take the edges that I blend my foundation out with, and I'm going to just blend around that. For face powder, I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun face powder. Y'all, I have not used this powder in literally so long. The only bad thing, it gets everywhere. So you got all of my glasses. Look at that. Wow. And for face powder, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Face Powder in the color True Bronze. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH01 brush. And just apply that everywhere. Y'all see how like around my forehead is like that dew? We keeping that, okay? And I'm going to be taking my Morphe Bronzer palette duo thing, and I'm going to be taking that on a Morphe, was that hair? A Morphe M143 brush. So I saw Thomas Halbert's video like with Tati, and like he put this like in a hated it like when they did their little collab thing, and I don't know how he does not like this. Like this thing is so good. I feel like you got to get like beneath the surface of it, like you got to keep going at it to actually get the payoff of the color of this amazing product, because it is really good. And that is the Morphe Bronzer palette. Then I'm going to be taking the Morphe JH02 brush, and I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Deep. And this literally just warms up my skin so nicely, like. Deepening up my contour a bit, just to make sure I'm a little bit more sculpted. Now I'm going to actually get started on the eyes, you guys. I'm not doing anything crazy with them because I think I'm just going to do a nice little brown smoky situation. Where the fuck is my sponge? And can y'all guess what palette I'm about to use? Like, can y'all really guess? I'm about to use my Morphe 35O palette. I have not used this palette in literally so long. Y'all can see that it's used and abused. Y'all can definitely see that. And this is like definitely fall vibes. Like, this whole palette is definitely fall vibes. I'm gonna first like use a JH37 brush, and I'm going to dip into this brown right here and just pack that all over the lid. Oh my god, like this palette is like nostalgia. Like, okay, I guess it wasn't recording or caught that I cut the crease and I did a little eye look. I'm going to do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I popped on some lashes, some blush, etc. And I'm about to set my face. To add a little bit of dew, I'm going to use the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray just on the perimeters of my face. I'm going to be taking the Morphe R36 brush, which is my favorite highlighting brush right here. And what should I use for highlighter, y'all? Like, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter, which looks really, really pretty. See, it looks really, really pretty. And I don't know, like, I think I used it before in a video, but I'm about to just use it again. I'm about to actually spray a little bit of this setting spray on it. I'm just gonna keep blending. Keep blending. Oh my god. Ooh, that is gorgeous. It really just melted into my skin. Like, let me move a little bit closer. Y'all can see that. Oh my god, that's beautiful. This highlighter is gorgeous. Y'all see how it just vanished? Like, but when I turn, it's like bam, well bam. That's how I love them. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Benefit. I'm going to be using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel. Set my brows in place and get those powders up out of my brows. For lips, because it is fall, y'all, I got to do something dark and like, I don't know, like something, a dark lip, you have to. And with that, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Goth Topic, which looks something like this. Ooh. Oh, y'all see that? Ooh, y'all see that? Bitch, yes. I look like somebody mama. Ooh, I don't got nothing on my teeth. Good. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up this video, which is a fall glam glowy makeup tutorial for the fall. And I do a glowy makeup tutorial for every season, but I'm just like, let me incorporate another look into it as well, like a little fall vampy look with the dark lip, of course. And yeah, you guys, like, this look was so much fun to actually do. It's been a minute. It's been like 2 weeks since I sat in front of the camera and actually recorded. Yeah, so happy fall. If I would have sat down last week and recorded, this video would have probably been up the day, like the Monday that it came, that followed after fall being here, which was last Saturday. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys really like this. Details on the look will be in the description box below, and also I said them throughout the whole video as well. So if you guys I have to go through this every night, almost every night, I have to go through a plane flying over my head. So yeah, you guys, once again, if you guys did enjoy this video, if you guys enjoyed me, please give this video a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. Join my family. I'm back from my little stump that I had. I'm back. Join my family. And yeah, y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. See y'all later.